Replace these 5 habits, and you will become unstoppable in life. Number 1. Replace overthinking with actions. By thinking too much, you create fake scenarios that don't exist. By taking actions, you discover things that will take you to another level and make you unstoppable. Number 2. Replace complaining with gratitude. You will see the bad in people and expect perfection. Perfection is a lie and doesn't exist. This will increase dissatisfaction in life, which will lead to a miserable life. Number 3. Replace TV with exercise and books. Do this and watch how fast your life starts improving. TV can be good to relax, but when it becomes a habit, it's bad. Number 4. Replace blame with responsibility. Take responsibility for your actions and consequences. It increases self-awareness, confidence, and self-esteem. Number 5. Replace fake friends with mentors. It's better to stay alone and do your things than to be around fake friends who only use you. Mentors are someone you look up to and have what you want.